This Mash Bite will explore the English tools and resources available in Purple Mash to engage and inspire learners and promote progress in all age groups, whilst also demonstrating the content available to you as an English lead to help effectively evolve the subject at your school. We support excellent teaching and learning in English from early years to year 6, and we'll begin by looking in the early years area of Mini Mash. Exploring the reading and writing resources, these activities support the early learning goals for your reception and nursery children. There are collections of interactive games and activities that focus on different early English skills, such as forming and pronouncing letters and initial sounds, early writing practice, including making ebooks using images, sound recordings, and text, and also introducing children to upper and lowercase letters. Simple City is a great application in which children can explore early speaking and listening skills in a stimulating and an interactive way. To find out how English resources in Mini Mash meet the early years framework expectations, teachers can access detailed mapping documents from within the teachers area. Returning to Purple Mash, you will be able to explore the primary English curriculum area from the main home page. In here, you will find an extensive selection of pre-made English activities, quizzes and games organised into the strands of writing, reading, oracy, and spelling, punctuation and grammar. Within each strand, the activities are organised for you to explore. All these activities can be adapted to suit the level of challenge for your learners. Helpful inbuilt video tutorials will inform you of ways to edit and tailor the activity to your bespoke requirements. Within the English area and reading link from the home page, you'll find a link to our library of Dorling Kindersley spreads, a variety of non-fiction texts all filled with high-quality images and rich vocabulary to help children engage with the interesting facts. All the Dorling Kindersley texts come with quizzes, activities and resources that help scaffold children's inference and deduction for each text they've read. As with all activities on Purple Mash, they can then be used with a whole class or different groups that you are targeting. Within the games area, there's a selection of grammar games that have been created for each year group, from year 1 to 6. In addition to the grammar games, in the teachers area, we have a whole scheme of grammar for writing, as well as a complete scheme for spelling. Both of these schemes contain teacher slideshows to teach the rules, online self-marking quizzes, and supporting online and printable resources to aid children's learning. All of the grammar games and spelling quiz results are visible for you via the data dashboard, which provides a quick and insightful way to track progress and identify areas for further practice. Back in the teachers planning area, you will find we have mapped our resources to the English, Scottish, Welsh and Northern Ireland curriculum, so you can see how the resources in Purple Mash link to your country's objectives. You can select the year level and strand to see the suggested resources for each objective. Looking now at the English tools area, there are a range of tools to develop children's word, sentence and text level skills, such as using one of the many writing frames to structure both their fiction and non-fiction writing, practice their speaking and listening in one of the countless Mash cams that's available, where children can role play and record their voices and character, as well as type or draw their characters' feelings. They can even work collaboratively to create a shared piece of writing using the tools like To Write and To Connect. If your school subscribes to Serial Mash, then you also have a whole online library of fiction and non-fiction text to explore with your learners. Each text comes with supporting activities and resources, and these can all be scheduled to be given to children at times and dates that fit best. Looking at how Purple Mash can support you in your role as English lead, you will find in the leadership area an English Leader Toolkit, which provides you with an extensive collection of tools and resources, such as tips from English leads, action plan templates, English policy exemplars, and a self-evaluation tool for you to assess the key areas of your leadership. You could use the pupil voice and staff survey documents to help you understand the experiences of all stakeholders in your school. If you would like to book a one-to-one chat with one of our CPD team to discuss any of the contents of this Mash Bite, click to book a Mash chat via the Professional Development tab. We'd love to support you and your staff in getting the most out of Purple Mash in your school.